Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, I've clearly mentioned you that natural gas is forming continuous upside. There is a gap still pending, so you have to understand as soon as the price started going below 3.8, chance of touching 3.5 will be there. So you have to understand 4.2 is a strong level, which is a support one. Okay, not support one, which is a strong support. Okay, and then we can see a level of around 3.6 is a strong support. So 4.2 is a strong support, 3.6 is a strong support. So from these two levels, whenever it comes, okay, a bounce back can be seen. Okay, but if this didn't bounce back, we can see the price of touching 3.6 on a higher side. Okay, a bigger pattern is formed at this level, so probability can be high. If we look at on the Monday's chart, there is a chances that if the price keep moving off this level, it will move above a level of 4.8, and yes, after that a probability of going towards 4.85 is there, and it will touch 4.9. There is a higher chances of it. Okay, because see, you have to understand that this level $4.85 is already weak, so we can see the price can touch a level of $5.9, and yes, after that there is a probability of touching $5.19. This is what we can see on Monday, because the movement can be there towards this level. As soon as the price started touching 4.9, chance of touching 5.19 can be seen, and if that sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $5.3. Okay, and if the price keep moving off this level, a further upside can be seen. But what we have seen at this level, a bounce back can be seen. Okay, and if it bounce back from this level, it will 5.19 will come, and then again we'll see the supports. Next support, which is around $4.9 after 5.19, and then we can see a level of 4.8. But at a level of 4.9, we can see a bounce back also can come. Understood what I'm saying? See, this is a pattern is forming, showing an upside for a longer view, but if you look at for a shorter view, you can see this particular pattern is showing an upside, and we have seen that if it sustain, we can see it can cross a level of 4.8, touching a level of 4.85, and from there it will cross a level of $4.9. Okay, then a probability of touching 5.12 can be there. And then what you can do best, you can trail your SL by $0.3. Okay, if the price started going above 4.9. But as I've already mentioned, you market is uncertain. See, suppose if it started going upside, it can bounce back towards downside, so you have to be ready if the price started coming down. Suppose if it started going down, we can see the support coming at a level of 4.7, which is a support one, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 4.64. This 4.64 is already weak, so we can see the price will go further down, and yes, after that it can touch a level of $4.51, and if the price falling below this level, it can touch a level of 4.4, and once started falling below this level, chance of touching 4.38 will be there, which is already tested. So we can see the price will go further down, and it will touch a level of 4.2, which I have already mentioned you, which is a strong support, so a bounce back can be seen. But if it didn't bounce back, we can see a further fall. Okay, probability will be very high, we can see a further upside. So if it started going above a level of 4.85, a probability of moving further upside towards 4.9, then to a level of 5.12. But if it started coming down towards a level of 4.5, then there is a chances that it can move towards 4.3 to a level of 4.2 also. I have given the mail IDs also, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, as well as Telegram link also there. There you can join.